Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's short video, I will show you how to import bookmarks from OperaGX to Chrome in 2025, the easy and the updated way. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your OperaGX web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to type opera:\bookmarks in the address bar. Then if you hit enter over here, you will be landed here on this page. Now over here, this is going to basically save all of the bookmarks as an HTML file to your computer. So you can click on the three dots in the menu and select the option of export bookmarks. Before exporting, it is a good idea to delete any empty or junk folders. This avoids any kind of issues using import and keeps things organized. Now you need to open your Chrome web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Chrome:\bookmarks. So over here, you will be taken to the bookmark manager screen, where again you can click on the three dots right next to it in the top right hand corner of the screen and select the option of import bookmarks. Over here you can choose the HTML file that you have saved from OperaGX. Your bookmark will now appear in a new folder inside the Chrome. You can look for the folder name, something like imported or bookmark from HTML, and you can also move these into your main bookmarks bar or the folders as needed. So this is how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.